pretty amazing stuff.
Yeah, well, to actually have an X Prize going from there, the very fact that MIT and everyone's just going non-stop with this brain-computer interface, I guess that is the natural thing. Like, what we're probably going to see in the next 10 years, that is like touchscreens like becoming ubiquitous. That's just the way you interact.
Yeah.
Then the decade after that is probably going to be more, well, just thinking and just interacting that way. And now we're seeing the foundations of it right now. Hey, this is like the beginning of starting to do that.
And if you ridiculous. If you go to their website at xprize.org, you can read about the current X Prizes they've got going on, and also future X Prizes. They got one called Ansari. I'm not sure what that is. They got another one called Archon, which is genomics. The Google Luna X Prize. Yeah. Progressive Automotive X Prize.
That's great. And we'll start doing this one with a computer mind interface.
Yeah.
Everyone's doing it. It's insane. Yeah.
What's next?
My one. It's a little bit different. It's the site Yelp has been having on this site eastbayexpress.com. It's about Yelp extortion allegations stack up. That people are saying that there's unethical behavior by the San Francisco website Yelp.com, where you actually rate all the services where you've rated small businesses and stuff.
Yeah.
And they're saying that at the moment it's just becoming, well, they're sort of doing like extortion or something. It's like, oh, if you want to keep your positive, your reviews good, keep on doing this. And in a discussion about it, actually someone was saying how that they ran a small business and, they visited a small business. They said it wasn't very good, they gave it a bad review, and then all of these totally anonymous reviews, or like they didn't have many other reviews posted, all came on and just totally upvoted it straight away. And they started commenting again, and so it's just people gaming the system. Like, as soon as they find out that Yelp is such a major part of it, they want to keep a high rating, so they just jump on, just shoot it back up.
Well, I think Yelp is definitely trying to set themselves up as the hub for recommendations and reviews. And
you want to know about a business or something, you go to Yelp, but how can you get past this? Like, well, I guess eBay sort of did with the negative feedback, but you still have to be able to incorporate negative feedback.
Well, wasn't Yelp actually involved in this process as well? I heard that they
well, that was the allegation.
Well, I guess still just an allegation.
Yeah,
because they're like all these companies, they're scrounging so much to make a profit at the moment. They'll try whatever they can, and if they can actually ring up small businesses and say, hey, that's the rumor I heard that they ring up a small business now, like, hey, you've got really good positive reviews, we can actually keep them positive for you.
Yeah, well, it's just
a little bit of moolah.
Just keep on paying us. But see, that's not sustainable, because any site that starts to do that, they'll just lose out. They have to go. Like, there was another great comment about it that's saying that you should do a more like Wikipedia-based thing. That like no money on it, not commercial whatsoever.
Yeah.
And just keep businesses out of it, and then just have like a totally open, free thing where people can actually discuss it openly.
Or maybe they could do some kind of referral system.
Okay, how do you mean?
So, well, if Yelp can set themselves up as being the major sort of hub for reviews and recommendations, they can then create a platform on top of that, and then so anyone looking for any product, any service, any business, anywhere, if Yelp can route them through via the recommendations and to that particular business, whether they're good reviews or bad, if Yelp manages to refer them on there, then you could then charge the business a fee.
Yeah, you could go through that way.
Like ridiculous, like say,
tiny,
5 cents per referred customer or something.
Yeah, but actually,
and that way they wouldn't have to game the system. There would still be gaming from everyone else. I mean, but Yelp could still maintain independence and make a hell of a lot of money just by referrals.
Because something has to happen here. You can't have this type of site being game, and like so many of the small businesses, they're saying actually rely on Yelp for good reviews, like who people go through. That like if you have one bad review, like if you're a small business owner, you'd do the exact same thing. It's like, oh shit, I got a bad review. Shit, let's just push up the rating, just make lots of fake anonymous accounts and just push it up.
That's a good idea though about the Wikipedia Yelp.
Oh yeah,
that's a massive business idea right there.
It must have been started somewhere. I don't know, like, I can't imagine that someone hasn't thought of this before. Let's have a check out, have a look around. I don't know, I'll have a look.
It wouldn't be
find anything we can put it onto.
Essentially, it'd just have to be open source, open initiative. It wouldn't, not Wikipedia, because...
No, you couldn't do it. I don't think you could do a wiki for it, but you could do just an open ranking type site for it.
Yeah.
You allow people to say anything, but then you've still got the whole anonymous thing, people coming in.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's worth a thought though. I think that could be a good way to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see, and there you go, that's 5 stories.
What do we got?
Oh yeah, that's right. We've got to go for something funny and humorous. Yeah, what did we find?
I've got this guitar. It's not. It's
not
really
funny,
but it's
that's just
epic.
freaking Epic, man.
I'll play it and try and sync it with the video. Let's see how this goes. But yeah, it's a really cool video. So essentially,
anyway,
yeah. Okay, yeah.
Check it out underneath. It's
well, I can sync it up with the video and show it on.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe. I haven't tried that yet.
So we're saying now we're talking about it, so it has to.
Yeah. But yeah, it's because we've been talking about this before. How Guitar Hero is kind of becoming. It could replace playing guitar. It could replace playing drums.
Well, it makes it for a layperson to come in. Like, I can't just pick up a guitar and start playing.
Yeah, but this guy is actually he's playing real. He was playing real.
Yeah, actual real stuff with it there.
And there's real frets and there's real.
It's just kind of, and it looks epic. Like,
and not just that, I'm pretty sure on this guitar you can actually do more with this than a real guitar.
Well, it's the same thing as like a piano, though. You can change all the keys.
No, but this thing's got an entire touchpad where, depending on how hard you touch, where you touch, and what you do with it, it makes a different sound.
It's pretty epic. I think it just looks cool.
I don't think they're... I have a feeling they're an Australian company.
Okay.
Last time I checked out the comments.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. And they're not... And it's running Linux, which is amazing.
Yeah. No,
I think the funniest... in Sydney, Australia. I think it's made by Misa Digital.
Yeah. I'd love to know. It's just a cool thing to have in your house. Like, it's style.
I think the top comment on Reddit was like... So someone finally got Linux to work with music?
That's good. Yeah. And one funny thing I found, that's not funny, it's just cool. A thing called rainymood.com. Go to rainymood.com, automatically starts playing rain in a 30-minute loop. It's just nice. And you play up songs to it. I was doing this all afternoon, just meshing my favourite songs with it, going with it. It's kind of cool.
Why?
It's nice. Sounds cool, yeah. Like, there's all those little desktop programs that you just go down there, but I like the web apps, like, because I'm always in a browser going strong, like, actually having to use the Windows environment. It's like, well, it's good, but it's just down there. Yeah. Rainymood.com, enter, go to another site, and get rain. Cool. Yay. Okay, I think that's pretty much it, eh?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nathan Waters.
I'm Tristan Grace.
It's been Hive45. Peace out, motherfuckers.
Yeah, peace.
Jeez.
Sweet.
How long was that?
21 minutes. Oh, no, it might have been 25.
That's not bad. You good?
I'm pretty good.
I'm gonna forget this. Aaron?
Yeah.
Hey, welcome to Hive45, a discussion about
Wow. Nice, second episode.